Good morning, YouTube. So Apple AirPods are now everywhere. I see them all over the place. I'm sure Apple has sold tens of millions of them. But they're very, very expensive, especially for something so small that you can lose quite easily. Over the last year, I've tried many true wireless Bluetooth earbuds, many of them even under $100. Some of them are quite good. Today, I'm trying some AirPod competitors from GearBest. This product is a Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless earbuds that look like AirPods, and they are a lot less than AirPods. They cost $70 Canadian. So how do these compare? Let's take a look. These A7 Air Plus earphones were provided courtesy of GearBest.com. I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out and get the current price. You can also use coupon code AGENT1 for a discount, but that expires soon. I wonder if I wear these at the Apple store, if people would know that these are not AirPods. Let's open it! So this looks very much like AirPods. And here's the case. This looks like probably micro USB, right? Though I can't tell. Okay, let's open it. I see there's a blue, oh, there's some LEDs. Okay. So this closes and opens nicely. Okay, let's take these out and try them out. They look like they're really well made. I like how the LCD is coming through the white, like this is not fully opaque, it's kind of translucent. Cool. Okay, I'm impressed with how they look and the build quality. Now let me try them on. They stay on pretty good. Discoverable pair new device. They're very comfortable, that's for sure. They go in very nicely. Now let's try taking them out again. Oh, here, AirPods. There it is. Pair with AirPlus. Okay, so they're active, 50% battery. Let's hear a song. Oh yeah! Fantastic sound quality. Sick! Let's see what else is in the box. Yeah. Oh, so there's a... This thing charges with lightning? Wow, I did not expect that. That's cool, an extra lightning cable here. How long is it? Nice. So it's lightning, I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, I'm gonna charge it. The charging case will take approximately 2 hours or more to completely charge. The indicator light will go solid blue, then blink. Then turn off when the case is fully charged. Good. Bluetooth version 5. Charging time 45 minutes. Talk time 3.5 hours. Music playtime 2 hours. Standby 80 hours. Started there. Controls seem to be working. Sound quality is very good. Very happy with the size of this and the fact that it's lightning. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for a couple of days now and I'll let you know what I think. Thank you for watching.